Hi again, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to talk about HTML as we started before. So let me share my screen and then see what HTML is. Okay. Sure. Here we go. Um, all right. So as we said, and HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language, and the hypertext refers to links that connect web pages to one another, either within a single website or between websites. So it can be links between the website. The website we have so many links that are interconnected together, or you just click on one website and then it will take you to another website. Let's take an example here. Oh, here it is. These are the browser I was talking about. This is Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla. Let's go to Safari and then let's search. We go to Google. We go www.google.com. We put the address of Google and then so let me try to show you what I was talking about. How DNS works. Okay. Um, let me put this up here. So when we ping, like ping, it's like we are trying to communicate. Ping, it's communicate. We are going to try to communicate with Google. I put Google. So this we are sending package to Google server. So here you see we are not really communicating to the Google, but we are communicating to this specific address. So this is the IP address of Google. This is the address that the DNS is going to give back to the browser. And then the browser is going to contact that address. And then the address will give the browser the content that that address has, which in this case, Google is on this address 142.251.40.130. All right, so let's go put search for Fantin developer here, and then we get this here. So what I was saying is a link between one website to another. So here we are in the website of Google. So we are going to click to this link and then it will send us to another link, which is fantindeveloper.com. This is one way we say that web pages are linked. So from now inside this web page, we are going to say from home, we're going to about. And then we go to this about here. We come from one page to another, but within in the same website. From about, we go to project, and then from project, we can go API and so on. But this is happening inside the same website. So this is what I mean, like the link can be from one website to another one or within in the website. So the HTML consists of a series of elements. We will see what is elements, and the elements tell the browser how to display the content. So as we saw, like on the house, uh, when you put some block, you say, hey, we have to leave a space for a window, a space for a door. So that's how you shape the house. You say, oh, here we're going to put stairs. Here we're going to do this. So you give the space, or you give something. Oh, this is going to be a closet. This is going to be something. So you give a shape. You give the structure. So element of HTML, they give the structure or how the page is going to be presented to the user. So the HTML element are usually made up of two tags. So there is opening tag, then the closing tag. This is the anatomy of HTML element. As I said, there is opening tag, and then there's closing tag. Closing tag has a slash. And then in between those tags, there is the content of the element, and all of this make element. So this is how it is. The opening tag, the content of element, and then the closing tag. This is how it is. This is the element of HTML. This is the anatomy of HTML element. You can see the list of all the tags and element here on this URL. All right. So what is the anatomy of HTML document? So the HTML document is start with the doc type. We tell the browser the type of this document is HTML, and then what language you want to use. You can here is English, but you can put any language, and then it has a head and then body. So it's like a structure. Say, hey, this is the head, this is the body, but in the head we put metadata. Metadata is the data about that page. So those information in the head, we are not going to see them on the browser, on the content of the page. But those information just are the information about that page. So only thing, maybe the title, we can see it in the browser on the top. This is how it will be looking. So anything we put between this opening tag and this closing tag of body, that's what we will see on the web page. Okay, so we can have nesting elements. So this P is keep coming. It's paragraph. P stands for paragraph. We have the paragraph opening here, this tag, and then we have its closing here. Closing, it has the slash. So we can have some element inside other element. Here we have strong, but we have to make sure we close it before we close its parents. So this is the child inside the parents. And the strong means it's going to be bold. So here web is be normal, but development it's inside strong tags. So it will be bold. And we can have again another nesting. Awesome is between this tag and this tag, the closing one. This is italic. So the awesome part will be italic. There are some void elements. So those elements, they only have opening tag. They don't have closing tag. For example, image element or image tag. Here you don't see a slash image and then close, or see the closing tag here or greater than here, and then close here, less than, and then image. So this is called void element because it doesn't have two tags, it only has one tag. So let's talk about attribute. Attribute contain extra information about the element that will not appear in the content. So let's say the image here, it has this source, its attribute of image tag or element. You say, the image we're going to display, we're going to take it from here. We are going to take it from this website or somewhere on our disk or something. ALT, it's what the when we hover the mouse on the image, what will be shown. All right. So these are two attributes. All right. And so there's other attribute. We can give image a width and then a height. Here we give it 100 width and then 100 height. So there are some special characters in HTML. If you see the tag started with less than and then we close it with greater than. So if we use this, the HTML page will not know, or the browser will not know if this is an opening of a tag or if it's another tag. So if we want to represent this specific thing here, we have to use these special characters like less than, we have to put and then less than, greater than, double quote, single quote, and then end. So these are the special characters that you have to represent like this when you want to represent those. The other thing is HTML comment. comments are the thing that will not be shown on the content on the page, because it's something that you want to, you the developer, you want to or someone else who is going to open your code is going to refer to. You're just trying to say, hey, this is what I want to do here. So comment it just for yourself. So it starts with less than, and then you put this exclamation, and then minus, and then you close it with minus, and then greater than. So this is for it today. We continue for other videos where we start with the heading. Yeah. All right. With that being said, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.